Avantgarde Acoustic has been offering cabling associated with our products for quite a few years, and one of them is our power cable. It's a cable that is made from 3 times 2.5 square millimeter cabling, silver-plated copper, by the way, and offers a braided shielding. It's not interwoven, it's just laid around, but still in a very dense, very tight arrangement, so we can be sure that the influence of outside electrical fields is minimized. The plugs feature rhodium contacts, so we have no problem with corrosion here, and we can be sure that they sit tightly. And on the plugs we also have the Avantgarde logo in a laser printing and a serial number that tells us exactly where which cable is going. The cable then is put into an aluminium round box, reusable one with internal padding so that the cable arrives with you in best possible state.